Guys, let's try to find a gold card in this Pokemon card. So let's see. Let's open it up.
Yep. I just show up. Go on videos and now let's get poop.
Now let's see what we got.
Pokemon.
Mataba.
Yeah.
First,
Oh.
gold. For first. You?
Ha, talaga madaming gold.
270. First is Aggron VMAX. Next is Samurott. And the next one is B-Sharp.
Let's see.
And
Wala
the
na.
next one is Zamazenta.
Ramacenta.
Duraludon again.
Again.
We got Duraludon right here. Next.
Look at this